Hey guys, so today Serena and I are going to be opening up my FabFitFun Box. It's the Spring 2019 box, and I did get a few add-ons, so I'll show you guys those first.
What is it?
So I got these Invisibobbles. These are basically hair elastics. They're plastic, and they do reshape themselves. These are kind of like the original.
Can I see?
You want to see? And they smell like macaroons, so I'm super excited to open those up. I got a yoga mat disinfectant. It has tea tree and lavender, so we can clean our yoga mats. Much needed. I also got this. These are all the add-ons. I think I mentioned that, but just in case. I got this illumination light box sign, which I'm going to use for my makeup office. It's super cute. You plug it in and you can write like different messages on it. And I'm super excited for this one. This is Show Me Your Moo Moo robe. Let's take it out and take a look.
Wow, that's so long. Is that a purse?
No, it's like a house coat. It's a bathrobe, but for the summer, it's really floral. It's super pretty.
Isn't it
pretty?
Yes.
It's pretty.
I want to
Okay. Okay, the last two add-ons are the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask. It's a deep cleansing mask, and there are two of these, but they accidentally sent me one, so they messaged me and let me know that the other one is on its way. And I got these eye masks. I had these in a previous box, and I absolutely love them. They're great for like under eye puffiness, and so I had to order more. You get 5 in here, and it's a pretty good deal. Stop making that face.
Stop.
Okay, so this is the actual FabFitFun Box. And let's open it up. Okay, come on. Okay, so inside we have our magazine. Hold on, let's just move this a bit closer. So you get your FabFitFun magazine.
Mom, I want to hold it.
Yeah, you can hold it. Okay, there you go. And inside you have this gorgeous print. It's very, very spring-y. We have a coupon for HelloFresh. $50 gift card. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Okay, you pick out the first thing.
What's this?
We have measuring spoons for baking and cooking.
I'm gonna open it.
Ooh, no, don't open it right now. Okay, let's see what else. We have a Dr. Brandt.
And we have paper. That's
Serena. Eye depuffing gel. I really, really need this. Leave-in conditioner. Sweet. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. Champagne charcoal scrub. This is an exfoliator. Ooh, it's really big. I'm really excited to try this in the shower. Okay, you're making a mess getting these papers everywhere. What's this one?
Let's open it.
Oh, I know what those are.
Let's see. No, I can open it.
Okay, while you're opening that, I will show them the next thing. Daily Concepts Detox Massaging Brush. So you can use this dry or wet. It stimulates circulation, detoxes the skin. Okay, these are kind of fragile, so these are Mommy's new Okay. New sunglasses. And I'm really excited because I did need sunglasses. They're a little big, but you know what? I kind of like them because they're dark. They block out a lot of sun.
Can I try them on?
You want to try them on? Okay. Okay. Let's move on.
I have new sunglasses too.
You do? Okay. We are going to show what else is in here, okay? Yeah, those are her new sunglasses. And we have a new water bottle. It's a Sip by Swell. Keeps your water or your beverage drink, keeps your drink cold or hot.
Is there something in here? It says to open it. This is like cream.
And last but not least, we have, what's this? A diffuser
Mom.
for essential oils.
Mom, there's a water bottle.
I know, I just showed that. So, if you guys are interested in signing for the FabFitFun Box, I can give you a discount code. I will include it in the video description. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, or subscribe. I really appreciate the support, and I hope you guys liked everything that was in our spring box. I'm super excited.
And paper.
And there's also lots of paper to play with. Bonus for the kids, right? I think your little sister will like that, hey? Can you say thanks everyone for watching?
Thanks for everyone to watching. Please.
Bye.